India and Pakistan have hated each other for 70 years. Here's why. The British ran India for more than 2 centuries, and it would be a bit of an understatement to say that Indians weren't happy about it. All the country's rage was directed at the British. To put a stop to that, India's colonizers had Indian politicians like the Muslim League's Muhammad Ali Jinnah, who talked about having a separate Muslim state if the British were to ever leave. Then World War I began. The British promised to leave India if Indians fought for them. They fought, but independence didn't happen. 2 decades under a Hindu majority in a democratic India, and many Hindus were angry that Muslims wanted to break up the country. This descended into brutal acts like killings, forced conversions, arson, abductions, rape, and ethnic cleansing. It all came to a head in Kolkata in August 1946. 4,000 Hindus were killed in the Great Calcutta Killings. This scared the British, and they promised to leave India in 1948. He didn't draw a line for Kashmir. What could possibly go wrong, right? On August 14, Pakistan gained independence. India gained independence the next day. Partition had become a reality. If you think the story has a happy ending, you haven't been paying attention. Here's the catastrophe that Radcliffe's lines created on the ground. 7 million people moved from India to Pakistan. 7 million more went from Pakistan to India. 1 million were killed in the process, murdered, starved, and poisoned. Mobs lynched trains full of men, women, and children, and families have been split apart to this day. The militaries of the 2 countries were practically useless while this was going on. Soldiers were busy figuring out their own lives. The dust from August 1947 has yet to settle. Since then, India and Pakistan have fought 3 wars over Kashmir and 1 over East Pakistan, which eventually became Bangladesh. Both countries still fight over disputed borders and water, and both are nuclear powers. Even cricket matches between them are politically charged. And over 70 years, the divide between people who look the same, speak the same, dress the same, eat the same food, and make the same music has become even deeper.